Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Pharma Learning with Deepika. I hope you all are doing great. So let's discuss about today's topic, that is age runner meal and end runner meal. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please go and subscribe it and share my videos as much as you can. And for my previous video lectures on equipment used for size reduction, go to the links in the description box. Let's talk about the principle of age runner meal. So the principle of age runner meal is shearing forces. The size reduction is done by crushing due to heavy weight of stone. Shearing forces is involved during the movement of the stone. Now let's talk about the construction and working of age runner mill. Age runner mill is also known as chillen mill or roller stone. So it consists of one or two heavy steel or granite rollers. These are the rollers which are mounted on horizontal shaft and turned round a central vertical shaft on a bed of steel or granite. This is a bed of steel or granite. The stone may vary from 0.5 to 2 meter in diameter. The larger size weight up to 6 tons. So, the material to be ground is kept in the path of the runner by scrapers. The reduction is partially due to the crushing by the weight of the stone, but more the friction between the surfaces of contact between the runner and the bed stone. Although the age runner mills are gradually being replaced by the more sophisticated machines, they are still used particularly for reducing extremely tough and fibrous material like roots and barks. Now let's talk about the uses of age runner mill. So age runner mill is used for grinding tough materials to fine powders. It is still used for plant-based product. Now let's talk about the principle of end runner mill. So end runner mill is based on the principle of impact and shearing forces. The size reduction is done by crushing due to heavy weight of steel piston. Shearing forces is also involved during the movement of the motor and the piston. So this is motor and this is piston. Now let's talk about the construction and working of end runner mill. The end runner mill consists of weighted piston mounted eccentrically in a ceramic, granite or metal motor, which is rotated by motor. The piston rotates by friction and it is free to rise and fall in the motor, so that its grinding action involves both impact and shear. The material being crushed and rubbed between it and the rotating motor. Spring-loaded scrapers ensure that the material is constantly returned to the grinding area, and at the end of the operation the piston can be swung clear by the motor to facilitate emptying and cleaning. End runner mill provides moderately fine powder and produce successfully with materials like bark, wood, fruits and leaves. So the uses of end runner mill. End runner mill is used for grinding tough material to fine powder. It is suitable for fine grinding. Now let's talk about the advantages of age runner mill and end runner mill. So both the mills produces fine powders, or both have less attention during the milling operation. Now let's talk about the disadvantages of end runner mill and age runner mill. Both are not suitable for milling sticky materials. Both machine produces noise leading to noise pollution. So that's all for today's video. We'll meet with next video. Stay safe and healthy. Bye bye. Take care.